Hi there. So in this video, I will show you how to access your Google Drive, how to upload a document, and how to create a document inside Google Drive itself. So this is a step-by-step guide for beginners and for those who have no idea on how to access and maneuver around Google Drive. Okay, so if you're an intermediate user for the Google Suite or an advanced one, this video is not for you. This is really for beginners. Okay, so to start with, go to mail.google.com, mail.google.com, right? So that you can access your Gmail. So what we're going to do here now is to sign in using our Gmail account. So mine is that one, and then next. I'll pause here for a bit so I can enter my password and you won't see it. Okay. All right. So I have entered my password. I'm logging in. All right. I don't wanna edit that for now. So let's click not now and we're logging in and we're here right now in my inbox. What we're gonna do is go to click this. You can see a lot of like a box with dots. Click that and find Drive. Click Drive. Okay, I will just refresh it because my language a while ago was in Hong Kong Chinese. Now I have refreshed it, it's in um, English. Okay, so this is Google Drive. And when you first access this, normally you will see um, a blank drive. So, okay, let's remove that. So this is what you're supposed to see when you first log in here. If you would like to create a file, for example, you have an exam to answer and you have to write it down on a document, click New, click Google Docs, and then it automatically opens a new file, a new document. Okay, so now you can begin answering. Let's say this is test one, answer number one. And then you have to rename this accordingly. According to, so the default title is the default subject, file name is basically the first line of your document. So you have to click here and edit it. Let's just say you will name this just name subject. That's just an example. Now, imagine that you're done editing this document. You're done. And you would like to share this to another person or group of persons. This is what you're going to do when you're done with it, okay? Click share. There you are. So you can add the people here, email addresses here, if you know their email address. But if not, you can click change to anyone with the link if you would like to share it with anyone. If you would like to share it to anyone who can just see. Okay. So you copy this link, and anyone with this link can view your document. You copy and then you click done. But if you would like them to edit, you click this little arrow here. You see anyone with a link, just to make sure, you click this little arrow here. You click editor if you want them to be able to edit your document, or you click commenter if you would like them to view and comment on your document but not necessarily edit. So for me, I'll just leave it as a viewer. I'll copy the link and I'll click done. And I will share this link to my colleague if I would like him or her to see the document that I created. So since we copied that link a while ago, right? This is the link to the document if you would like to share it. And that's it. Um, Now, if you would like to upload a file on your Google Drive, okay, so we are now on the topic of uploading. You go back here to your My Drive. And this is a document we created a while ago, right? You you can just make it fast and minimize a little bit your um, browser. Let's You can drag and drop this document. So I'll click it and hold to transfer. So you see it's starting to upload and it's there already. So it says here there's a green button, right? That says it has been uploaded. So this is our sample document that we've uploaded on Google Drive. Now, since it's on our Google Drive and you would like to share it to someone, in case you would like to share it to someone, click that, right click, and click share or get link. If you would like to click share, just like we did a while ago, you can click change to anyone with a link. Okay? And anyone with a link on the internet can view your document. So all you have to do, just like what we did a while ago, is copy link and then click done. All right. And since you copy that, you can paste it anywhere you want and or give it to anyone that you would like to share it to. So that's it. For any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Okay, thank you.